Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean a lawnmower carburetor. I'll start by disassembling the carburetor. I'll remove the float and the metering needle. On some carburetors, there won't be a whole lot of disassembly you can do. This style of carb has many more components. I'll go ahead and disassemble it. Again, I'll remove the float and metering needle. Now I'll remove the main jet. And the emulsion tube. On the top of the carburetor, you may have a plug. It could be either a screw or a plastic plug. This covers the pilot jet. I'll go ahead and remove it. There's a few ways that you can clean a carburetor. One of the easier is to use carburetor or brake cleaner. With this method, I'll spray the cleaner onto the carburetor and into its passages. I'll start on the exterior of the carburetor, cleaning off the majority of the dirt. Then I'll move to the small passages inside the carburetor. It's important that I spray the cleaner through each of the passages individually. I'll spray each of the carburetor's other components in the same manner. I'll spend extra time on the jet, making sure that it's perfectly clean. Once everything's been cleaned, I'll use compressed air to blow the cleaner out of the carburetor. Another method you can use to clean a carburetor is an ultrasonic cleaner. This is my preferred method to use. You can pick up an ultrasonic cleaner, usually for under $100 at many discount tool stores or websites. If you see yourself cleaning 4 more carburetors, it's probably worth it to invest in an ultrasonic. I'll place the carburetor into the ultrasonic. I have a small basket, this is actually a filter out of a coffee maker, that I place the small components in. Drop these in the ultrasonic along with the bowl. I turn it on and let it run for about 10 to 20 minutes. The ultrasonic is filled with water and a detergent. I'm using a special detergent for carburetors, but you can also use dish soap if you don't have access to detergent. After it's cleaned, I'll remove it from the ultrasonic. And again used compressed air to get the water out of each of the components. Now that it's been cleaned, I can reassemble the carburetor. It's usually a good idea to replace both of the bowl gaskets.